Kingdom Animalia, bilateral symmetry, acoelomates, meaning no gut cavity, and pseudocoelomates, false gut cavity. The first phylum is phylum Platyhelminthes, or flatworms. Alright, so they live in marine, freshwater, and some damp terrestrial habitats lah. Alright, so dia banyak parasitic species such as flukes and also tapeworm, cacing pita dan cacing kerawit. Alright, so they are tripoplastic, acoelomate, alright, bilateral symmetry, alright, and because they're flatworm, their body is flattened dorso-ventrally, alright, and there are no segmentation. Alright, so most species in the phylum, they have a digestive system with a single opening lah. Alright. So flatworms have no specialized organs for gas exchange and also circulation. So they relatively have simple excretory and also osmoregulatory system, which is called a protonephridia. Alright, a fine network of tubules with ciliated cells. It is also known as flame cells for protonephridia. Alright, so the next phylum are pseudocoelomates, false cavity. Phylum nematodes, also known as roundworms. Bukan macam cacing biasa, yang cacing tanah. Because their body, they have narrow bodies, cylindrical shape, and dekat hujung dia pointed ends. Dia tapered kat hujung. So tajam. Cacing tak kan, hujung dia round kan. So they are unsegmented, tripoblastic pseudocoelom. So pseudocoelom ni filled with a fluid that acts as a dia punya hydrostatic skeleton. So tak ada protonephridia. Excretory system dia consists of one or more large glands, okay, opening by an excretory pore. Alright, so phylonematode ni dia dah mula advance sedikit. So tapi dia still tak ada respiratory system and circulatory system. Badan dia ada thick elastic cuticle. So they start to have a long unbranched gut with mouth and anus. Alright, so most are free living, but kebanyakannya parasite lah. Yang famous is Ascaris sp, which infect pigs and also humans lah. Okay, they can be as long as 30 cm. So here's a summary for all the phylum so far that we have studied: Porifera, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, and also nematodes. Alright, so you can fill this table, alright, and find the answer. Alright, and this table you can do best in your student module.